Hello everyone. My design topic is City Library. Redefining a city library to meet the needs of this generation was one of the aim. Sarvajanik Vachanalaya Nasik, established 180 years ago, preserves and nurtures the treasures of knowledge. The design should have public spaces which would reflect the society and would merge in with the urban fabric. Interactive spaces and the cultural and traditional practices are to be taken care of. The basic requirements of the city library were the auditorium, the library space, a cafeteria, museum, manuscript section, newspaper section, exhibition areas, meeting halls, etc. To get more into this topic, a case study was done of Seattle Public Library located in Washington, United States. This library consists of 11 levels in all, including a basement. Level 6 to 9 is known as the spiral, which contains stacking area connected to a ramp. The building is flexible for further expansions and the spaces inside are grouped as per functions. The building follows form followed by function. No column anywhere in between the hallways disturbs the circulation. The site analysis. The site is located at Tilak Road, Shalimar, Nasik. The site is surrounded by a Vyayamshala, Sarda Girls School, and a stadium on three of its sides. SWOT analysis was then done. The strength of the site was its easily accessible location itself. The major vegetation on the north provides shaded region which would serve as a calm environment for the library. The site being located in a quite busy surrounding won't provide any eye-catching view, as such is the weakness. Visitors of all ages, children as well as adults, would be attracted since educational, commercial, religious buildings surround the site. Since Tilak Road is the only way from where the site can be accessed, the heavy crowd can result in traffics on the road. Then I did the data collection where the required areas according to the capacity and the function were calculated. This is the site plan, also the roof plan. The site is accessed from the 18-meter wide road. The basement plan. The ramp starts from the ground floor, which contains the parking for four-wheelers, two-wheelers as well as bicycles, and has an access through the staircase as well as two lifts to the ground floor. The ground floor. Two entrances are provided to the site, wherein on the north is a temporary two-wheeler parking and other leads to the ramp going to the basement parking and to the temporary car parking. Coming ahead on north is the staircase and lifts leading to the above floors. On the south is the auditorium with a capacity of 600 seats. The first floor plan. On the first floor plan is the office part, the administration. Ahead are two choices, one way which leads to the library part and other to the meeting halls. The meeting halls are of 50% capacity each. On the south is the museum area, which further connects to the cafeteria. This cafeteria also has one more access from the library side, and there's a courtyard slightly towards the north. This opens up to the Abhyasika. Going to the next second level, this opens up to the Abhyasika, that is the study area extending till the south, which in between has a third meeting hall of 100% capacity. The stacking area is similarly arranged along with reading area accommodated into it. The stacking, reading and the study area has an internal staircase where similar plan is repeated. The next are the elevations and the sections.